joyful noise unto the Lord, all lands. Clap your hands together, praise with uplifted hands. Serve the Lord with gladness, come before His face with song. From the rising of the sun, His love forever strong. Know this truth deep in your heart and soul: Jah is God alone, Him in control. It is He who made we, and not we ourselves. We are His people, His flock under His care. Enter His gates with thanksgiving sound, let grateful praises all around. Through the courts with joyful voice, in His presence we rejoice. For the Lord is good, His mercy ever sure. Through every generation His truth endure. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, His faithfulness shine like eternal light. So lift up your voice, let the praises ring. From the village street to the palace of kings, let the drums beat loud, let the rhythm flow. Jah name alone we exalt and show. Give thanks unto Him and bless His name. Yesterday, today, forever the same. From Zion Hill to the ocean shore, we sing His praise forevermore. Joy in my heart, me not keep it in. Jah love wash away every stain of sin. With every breath me shout and sing, all glory and honor to the King. Make a joyful noise, let the whole earth hear. From the mountains high to the valleys near, serve Him with gladness, let the whole world know that Jah reigns now, forevermore, forevermore. Yeah, yeah. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all lands. Clap your hands together, praise with uplifted hands. Serve the Lord with gladness, come before His face with song. From the rising of the sun, His love forever strong. Know this true deep in your heart and soul: Jah is God alone, Him in control. It is He who made we and not we ourselves. We are His people, His flock under His care. Enter His gates with thanksgiving song, let grateful praises all around. Through the courts with joyful voice, in His presence we rejoice. For the Lord is good, His mercy ever sure. Through every generation His truth endure. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, His faithfulness shine like eternal light. So lift up your voice, let the praises ring. From the village street to the palace of kings, let the drums be loud, let the rhythm flow. Jah name alone we exalt and show. Give thanks unto Him and bless His name. Yesterday, today, forever the same. From Zion Hill to the ocean shore, we sing His praise forevermore. Joy in my heart, me now keep it in. Jah love wash away every stain of sin. With every breath me shout and sing, all glory and honor to the King. Make a joyful night, let the whole earth hear. From the mountains high to the valleys near, serve Him with gladness, let the whole world know that Jah reigns now and forever.